spiky tree.
Oh, look at that.
Snowflake tree.
Really spiky that is.
He's wandered off.
The most poisonous plant in the world. Whoa, that's really poison, that is.
It's got ricin in it though.
Oh, that's Breaking Bad. The most poisonous plant in the world. The most poisonous plant in the world. Got ricin in it. Yeah. Parrot, look. Can you see it? Did you say parrot? Did you say parrot, Tim? Can Timmy say a parrot? A cup of tea. He's doing a dance. Timmy, is he doing a dance?
You seen the dancing batty?
Whoa.
Oh, look, he's climbing up there again.
It's a monster.
He's doing a dancing parrot. Crocodile. Oh my god, look at, oh, what's this?
That's massive.
Oh, that's massive. What's this called, Daddy?
Asian water monitor.
Ooh.
You see it, Tim?
No, look at it. It's like a type of leopard in there.
You see it?
What's that? What is it, love?
Asian water monitor.
Oh, my hair. He's pulled my hair, love. Please.
No, it's a lizard.
Look his tongue coming out. A lizard. Look. Did you see his tongue poking out?
Oh,
do you see his... Oh, Timmy's licking his lips to get a bit as well, isn't he? Look at him. Oh look, he's copying. Timmy liking him?
Yeah, he wants to eat one.
No.
Right, this is a baby one. There'll be a bigger one somewhere else.
No, they probably don't have the big ones here.
Crocodile. Look at the crocodile. Is it scary, Demi?
No.
Oh. Can Timmy say crocodile?
Crocodile.
Yay! What is it?
It's a chipmunk.
Oh, chickmunk?
Yeah, Tim.
Do you see a chickmunk? Is that a chickmunk, Demi?
It has an S on the end, so there might be certain ones too.
Oh. Do you hear that, Tom? Clever, Demi? It has an S on the end, so it could be more than one. It has an S on the end, so it could be more than one. Whoa, look at that. Now, can we walk a bit further now, look? Go on.
I want to try put this on the
Okay.
I want
Just wait right here
to
then.
do the snake skin again. I want to
Yeah, that's what I said. We can go around and have a look again. So miss out this time and go and have a look by there.
I want to look at snake skin again.
Yeah, we'll have a look in a minute. We can't go backwards. What's these?
What would you do if that was in your bed? What would you do? You went to get in bed, you pulled your bed sheets back and that was running around. What would you do? Would you freak out? Would it be scary?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh, look at it. Look at the tail. It goes all the way down here. And that's the face. Oh, so that's how long it is. Ooh. Ooh, look at that place there. Ooh.
Look at these.
They're poisonous, these frogs are. Whoa.
It's not a meal pan.
Oh. Oh, chipmunk again.
It's a lizard.
It's a lizard. Where's it?
Yeah, the first finger there.
Oh, yeah, it's missing a finger. Oh, wow.
No.
But this is a baby one. There'll be a bigger one somewhere else.
No, they probably don't have the big ones here.
Crocodile. Look at the crocodile. Is it scary, Demi?
No.
Oh. Can Timmy say crocodile?
Crocodile.
Yay!
Look at that spiky tree.
Oh, look at that.
Snowflake tree.
Really spiky that is.
He's wandered off.
Oh, look at meerkat. Is he a meerkat?
Oh, look at the one sitting on the dome there.
Hello.
Hello.
Aww.
Looks like
Isn't they lovely?
jump out.
Yeah, they probably can.
They're probably like, ooh, ooh.
Wow.
An elephant.
Wow.
You see the millipede?
You see the millipede? No?
No, I can't see anything.
Timmy, what was your favourite part?
To me.
Yeah.
Do you like the spider
Mummy.
part?
Tell me.
The tarantula?
Say my favourite one was the spider.
Do you like the spider part? And what was the scariest part? You didn't like the spider, did you? You were scared of the spiders. No?
I love Mia.
I like the parrot.
You like the parrot.
I hate this parrot.
No,
What do you want, Demi? You chose that now. Let's see it. Was it a meerkat? A baby meerkat?
Kitty
Is
cat.
that the one you want, Tim?
There's two.
Do you want that one?
That one.
Oh,
Look,
that
you,
one.
You can go with the
That's
other
why he
one.
said. I think that's why he said it's two, because he's got one. Oh, look at the parrot. Timmy liked the parrot, didn't he? Did you see the parrot, Timmy?
Monkey.
You got a monkey in your... Yeah.
That's on your bag. Remember when we went to the chocolate factory?
Yeah.
No, too
Oh, oh.